Hey guys, what's up? As a model and content creator, gusto ko lang i-document ko anong mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. Lalo na kung may mga events and racket man dyan. So this is our photoshoot after the event. Fun fact lang, nano-normalize kasi yung belief na kapag model ka, halos wala ka ng efforts. Like, makeup lang and then larampa ka lang and then shoots. Pero guys, alam nyo, sa normal talaga na event, as a model, ang dami mong kailangan na exert na effort. Like this one. Yung call time namin is before 1 PM pa lang ay dapat nandun na sa location kasi magba-blockings pa, maghahanda pa, magfi-fittings pa, and also magme-makeup pa. And then meron pang waiting time para sa pag-start ng event. And natapos kami around 8 PM na. Kaya we work for 8 hours then and then nakatayo din kami minsan. I mean, most of the time, nakatayo kami pag nasa event kami. I just wanna remind you na lahat ng trabaho ay pinaghihirapan at iba-iba na lang yan sa atake at style ng trabaho mo. And that's the context of our video right now. So that's all. Thank you guys.